What's up, YouTube? Successful first oil change. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little secondary air pump delete. Got the block off plate, just got to get some gasket maker. Pretty much you just unbolt this thing, this whole bracket, everything just comes out. Frees up a lot of space for like one of those big ass snails everybody's got. But yeah, I'm just gonna go throw it in real quick.
Great success!
All right, just got it installed. There's a little block off plate right there. And this is the old secondary air pump system. It was pretty worn. As you can see, the rubber is pretty much gone. That's a big chunk taken out of the engine bay. That's where the old bracket's set. I'm gonna go through and clean that up a little bit. Not bad, I guess. All right, I got my spark plugs, got my Coke. If you don't know about the Mexican Coke, then you're missing out. All I'm gonna do is just replace the spark plugs, maybe put some gas in it, give it a little test ride, and see how it goes.
A few moments later.
All right, just got the new spark plugs thrown in. Went ahead and made a little gasket for the sap delete, secondary air pump delete. Took her out for a test drive. Everything's running a little bit smoother. It's the only thing I've noticed so far. It's just running smoother after the oil change, the sap delete, new spark plugs. Definitely need to get new coils. But yeah, it's coming together. These wheels look so good. Can't wait to get the center caps. I think it'll really complete it. And then once I go through and fix all the paint, it'll look pretty fucking cool. Look pretty nice. Definitely need to replace the fuel filter and fuel pump. That's outrageous.